left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left. Again, C minor. Verse 1, C minor, hold, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B flat, C, 2, 3, 4, and C minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and A flat, go, and B flat, C minor, B flat, A flat, B flat, C minor, and hold, and we go, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left. Again, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left. Verse 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B flat, C minor, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B flat, C minor, 2, 3, 4, and A flat, go, B flat, C minor, B flat, A flat, B flat, C minor, B flat, chorus to A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat, A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go, C minor, B flat, E flat, C minor, second time, C minor, B flat, E flat, C minor, third time, C minor, B flat, E flat, C minor, fourth line, C minor, B flat, get ready, F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, A flat, hold, B flat, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, E flat, pattern goes, A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat, last chorus and A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat, A flat, second time, B flat, C minor, E flat, third time go, A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat, last line, A flat, B flat, C minor, E flat. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.